Good morning, children. First class children, very good morning to all. I hope everyone is eagerly waiting for the new lesson, isn't it? Okay, before let me start, I want to talk with you. Had you understand the previous two lessons, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2? I hope it is very clear, no? You have done the activity. Have you done my homework? Yesterday I had given some activity, coloring activity I had given, and to prepare vegetable salad and fruit salad. Have you done the work? Okay, don't worry. You can take your own time, first class children. Okay, take your own time. Yeah, this complete 7 days you take your own time and tell your mom to prepare vegetable salad. Okay, and fruit salad. So what are the vegetables? What are the things you are going to use in vegetable salad? What are the things? Yes, tomato, cucumber, and pepper. Pepper is what? Capsicum. Okay, capsicum can be called as a pepper. Okay, then broccoli, lettuce, and you can use other things. What other things? Even you can use paneer, mushroom, lettuce, and celery. But here no, you won't have these things. Some few things it is not available in the market, and don't trouble your parents. You take whatever the things it is available in the market. Whatever it is things are there at home. Like tomato is there regular, beetroot is there, carrot is there, isn't it? Onion is there. So you use some few items and prepare a vegetable salad. And not for the decoration purpose. You should have to have it. Daily, regularly, you should have to have the vegetable salad regularly. Keep the habit of eating the vegetable salad. Okay. And one more thing. So instead of eating the other junk food, if you have the vegetable salad or fruit salad, it is good for your health and it is so yummy. Okay. Just try it. Tell your mom to prepare by using some lemon juice and pepper powder and salt. Okay. Then one more thing, children, you had learned about the fruits, isn't it? Then go ahead with the fruit salad. Whichever you like, you tell your mom to prepare either vegetable salad or fruit salad. Okay. Now can I talk to your your mother tongue language? Can you able to follow me in English? I think everyone is able to understand, isn't it? Now we are getting into the lesson number 3, isn't it? You have to understand, children. You came to first class, okay? You must have to understand in English language. Okay, anyhow, it's not an issue. I will talk to you with Telugu also. Okay, I am going to start with your mother tongue language, okay? And don't feel that teacher is using your Telugu language with you, okay? Now, okay, ఎంతమంది మీరు అందరూ ఇంట్లో వెజిటబుల్ సలాడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశారా ఇంట్లో? అందరూ వెజిటబుల్ సలాడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశారా? No? So, okay. I think some children are saying yes, some children are saying no. No problem. Okay. You take your 7 days time. ఇంకొక వారం టైం ఇస్తున్నాను. మీరు అందరూ యాక్టివిటీ చేయండి తప్పకుండా. కలరింగ్ చేయండి. క్లాస్ వర్క్లో నేను ఇచ్చిన వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి మీరందరూ. డ్రాయింగ్ అండ్ కలరింగ్ వర్క్. ఓకే. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ మచ్ కంపల్సరీ. యాక్టివిటీ ఇంట్లో అందరూ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసి చూడండి. వెజిటబుల్స్ ఏది అవైలబుల్ ఉంది మన మార్కెట్లో? బీట్రూట్ ఉంది, కుకుంబర్ ఉంది, క్యారెట్ ఉంది, టొమాటో ఉంది, ఆనియన్ ఉంది. ఉందా లేదా? సో యూస్ దిస్ థింగ్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఇవి ఏవి ఉందో మీకు ఏది మార్కెట్లో దొరుకుతుందో ఈ వెజిటబుల్ సలాడ్ని ఇంట్లో మమ్మీ కటింగ్ చేసి దాంట్లో జస్ట్ డ్రాప్ ఆఫ్ లెమన్ జ్యూస్, పెప్పర్ అండ్ సాల్ట్ అండ్ యూ టేస్ట్ ఇట్. ఇవి టేస్ట్ చేసి చూడండి వెజిటబుల్ సలాడ్. బట్ నెవర్ ఈట్ ద జంక్ ఫుడ్, చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే. Now you know this condition is COVID situation is going on, so please avoid eating the junk foods. Okay. Now next one. Teacher, we can have fruit salad, teacher. Yes, of course you can have fruit salad. Okay, intlo fruits untada, apple untundi, oranges untundi, grapes untundi. It is available. Papaya is there, isn't it? All some fruits are there, but seasonal fruits are not available. Like mango is there, so mango is a seasonal fruit. It is not available. Don't worry. Rest of the fruits are available. Tell your mom to prepare the fruit salad and have that taste, and you have to tell me. Okay, children. Now let me start. Before I am going to start the new lesson, lesson number 3. I don't want to declare the poem name. One small for your purpose, I am going to start with a small poem about a tree. Shall we enjoy with the poem, or shall I start my class? Okay, you are all eagerly waiting for that poem, no? Tree poem. Okay, no problem. I'll start with my tree poem. Then tomorrow I will start the again lesson number 3 lesson. Okay. So before what I said, so whatever the lesson number 1 and 2 I had completed, whatever the instruction I had given to you, you have to be practice. How the practice will comes? Yes, not in the oral part, writing part. Writing part is most important. Okay, so do the practice, say and write. Don't keep your mouth mum and write. Okay, children? Okay, so like UKG you used to sing, no, with your teacher, like rhymes are there, and you used to go for the number rhymes, English rhymes are there. But science, it's a very some new subject for my children, isn't it? So science, it tells about not only about plants. We are going to talk about the animals, other human body parts. Okay, but we are going to start with which lesson we had started only from plants. Still we are moving into the plants only. Then after this plants lesson we will go to the next lesson will be the animals. Okay, so let me complete this poem, then I will start my class, children. Hope so all the 2 lessons are very clear for you. You will follow my words, you will do it, and you will have to show me. Okay, but show me your best performance while writing in the class book, children. Okay, now so lesson number 3, let me start. Are you all ready for the poem? Okay, so you are all eagerly waiting for my class. So let me start the new poem. Okay, see, just say along with me. I will go very slowly and you have to be enjoy and keep on saying along with your teacher. Okay, is it clear now, children? It's not a rhyme but a small line, few lines about a tree, children. Okay, beta. So now listen here. Come on, say. This is the name of the lesson is what? Our green friends. Okay. So the previous lesson what we had learned? Yes, we had learned the plant world, isn't it? Now we are going to start our green friends. Who are the green friends? We are the green friends? No. Plants are the green friends, isn't it? Plants are our green friends. Yes. Why do you say the plants are green friends? Why, teacher? Yes, because the trees and plants are giving fruits and vegetables, isn't it? Daily we are having food and we are enjoying it, isn't it? So obviously all the plants are our green friends, isn't it? So let me start with the small poem about a tree. Say along with me, repeat along with me. Okay, come on, say. I am a tree, tall and white. Here birds and squirrels love to hide. Once again, I will repeat the poem. I am a tree, tall and white. Here birds and squirrels love to hide. This is the first 4 lines. I will write on the board. You also say and write. Then again second para again I will tell you. Okay. First you write the first 4 lines poem. Come on, start now. Write the lesson name. Our green friends. Split the no cursive letter. Don't use any cursive letter, children. I didn't taught you the cursive letters. Our green friends. Okay. Now write the poem about tree. Okay, afterwards you can draw a tree. First you write the poem name. I am a tree. What is this? I am a tree. I am a tree, tall and wide. Tall and wide. Tall and wide. Okay. Here birds and squirrels love to hide. Write this poem very neatly, children. If you want to draw, you can draw a tree. Okay. Now listen here. So I will draw a picture. So tree was saying this poem. Okay. ట్రీ మనకి ఈ పాట పాడుతుంది. ఒక పెద్ద చెట్టు మన కోసం ఒక చిన్న పాట పాడుతుంది. ఏమని పాడుతుంది చెట్టు మనం చూస్తామా? Yes, I am talking in Telugu, no? Everyone is getting shocked. Don't worry. Okay, just for you to understand. Listen, children. Tree was saying that I am a tree. Who I am? I am a tree, tall and wide. Wide means what? ఎలా ఉంటుంది? చెట్టు టాల్ గా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ వైడ్ గా వెడల్పుగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో టాల్ అండ్ వైడ్. హియర్ బర్డ్స్. అవును, చెట్టు పైన ఎవరు కూర్చుంటా? మనం కూర్చుంటున్నామా? చెట్టు పైన కాదు. విచ్ animal is sitting here? Birds, isn't it? Birds are sitting on a tree, isn't it? For the shelter. See here. The next one. This is a trunk. Okay, these are the roots. Listen here. You don't draw any tree. After the poem you can draw a tree. Okay. Now listen. Here birds and squirrels. Okay. Squirrels love to hide. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు దాచుకుంటారు చెట్లు ఎప్పుడు? Squirrels, birds. Okay. So ఇది కూడా ఒక animal. Squirrel is also one type of animal. Okay. It is a plant eating animal. Okay. So squirrels and birds, they are love to what? Hide. వాళ్ళు మంచిగా ఒక ఇల్లు కట్టుకొని చెట్టు లోపల దాచుకొని ఉంటారు. ఓకే. ఎగ్స్ హ్యాచ్ చేయాలి కదా, మళ్ళీ ఎగ్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటుంది. పాము వచ్చి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అది భయంతో ఏం చేస్తుంది? జాగ్రత్తగా నెస్ట్ కట్టుకొని చెట్టు లోపల కూర్చుంటుంది. వర్షాకాలం కానీ ఎండాకాలం వస్తే దానికి అంటే కష్టం ఉండకూడదు. ఇప్పుడు అది చెట్లు మనకి ఇప్పుడు నెస్ట్ లాగా ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? ఎస్, వాట్ హ్యాపన్స్? Where it will come to your house? No. Where the birds live? The birds live in the nest, isn't it? So what they need? Shelter. And what they need for that before? Tree. If trees are there, they can build a nest, isn't it? If trees are there, they can build a nest. Okay. So అది గూడు కట్టుకోవడం కూడా ఒక చెట్టు కావాలి కదా. చెట్టు లేకుండా గూడు కట్టుకోవడం వస్తుందా? Can they make the nest? No. They can't make it, isn't it? So come on, say. Now tree was saying, I am a tree, tall and white. Okay. Next one. Here birds and squirrels love to hide. Okay. Love to hide. So first 5 lines. Is it clear? Completed? Next 5 lines. Then afterwards you draw a tree. Okay. But write very neatly, children. First line, don't continue. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Okay. The next one, come on, say all of you. I give you flowers. I give you wood. I give you shade. I give you food. Okay. So what are the things trees are giving? Yes, they are giving us flowers, wood, shade and wood. Okay. So come on, say, I give you flowers, I give you shade, I give you wood, I give you food. Okay, next 4 lines. Get ready. Come on, write down. You can start after that, leave a line and you can start. Okay, after just leave a line, then you start. Come on, write now, all of you. I will write. Continue. You can continue after that poem. Come on, write all of you. I give you flowers. I give you flowers. I give you flowers. I give you wood. I give you wood. Okay. I give you shade. I give you shade. I give you shade. I give you food. I give you food. Okay. Write down. So what the tree was saying here? Yes, the tree is saying that I am not only giving flowers, I am giving wood, shade, food. అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ పూలు ఇస్తుంది. మన చెట్ల నుంచి ఏమేమి వస్తుంది? మనకి ఏం దొరుకుతుంది? పువ్వు, చెక్క అంటే wood, shade, నీడ, food. You know the food meaning, isn't it? So all those things, from where do you get? From a tree. From a tree. Come on, say, children. I give you flowers. I give you flowers. I give you wood. I give you shade. Spell the word of shade. S-H-A-D-E. Shade. I give you food. I give you food. Spell the word of food. F-O-O-D. Food. Okay. So I give you flowers. I give you wood. I give you shade. I give you food. Is it clear? So this is the second. So what is the first one? Come on, repeat the first line. First 5 lines. Yes, I am a tree, tall and white. Isn't it? What is the third line? Here birds and squirrels love to hide. Second para. I give you flowers. I give you wood. I give you shade. I give you food. Is it clear, children? Okay. The last 4 lines. The last 4 lines. Get ready. Now, leave a line. Okay. After. Don't cut me. Yes. What the tree is saying? Don't cut me. Okay. Don't cut me or I will cry. Place a comma and full stop. Or I will cry. Or I will cry. Let me leave. Let me leave, comma. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Yes, who is saying that I don't want to die? Tree. Okay. I don't want to die. Come on, say. Now, the tree is saying that. What the tree was saying now? Don't cut me. Okay. No. What the tree is saying that? Don't cut me. If you cut. Now listen here. What is this? Yes, this is an axe. Okay. With the axe, you please don't cut my tree. Okay. If you cut me, I will cry. I will cry. If you cut me, what happens? I will cry. See here. Tree is crying here. Why tree is crying here? Tell me now. For what is the reason? Because what you are doing there? You have started to cut the trees. So tree was saying, please don't cut me. Okay. Don't cut me or I will cry. నేను ఏడుస్తాను. నన్ను కట్ చేస్తే నేను చాలా ఏడుస్తాను. అవునా కదా? ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ లెట్ మీ లీవ్. నన్ను ఉండడం అంటే వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? సో ఐ వాంట్ టు లీవ్. ఐ వాంట్ టు సర్వైవ్. ఓకే. సో ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ కట్ మీ. ఓకే. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డై. I don't want to die. So let me leave. I don't want to die. Who is saying all those words? Tree. Tree was saying that please don't cut me. Okay. Don't get that axe and don't start cutting my trees. If you cut me, what happens? I will cry. Okay. And not only the tree is not going to only cry. It will die. ఏమవుతుంది ట్రీని కట్ చేస్తే? మంచిగా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుందా? నిలబడి కాదు, చచ్చిపోతుంది. ట్రీ ఏమవుతుంది? ట్రీని కట్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుందా? ఇప్పుడు మీకు కొడితే, మమ్మీ కొడితే మీరు ఏడుస్తారా లేదా? అవునా? మళ్ళీ ట్రీని కట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ట్రీ ఉంటుందా? ఇస్ ఇట్ ఎ హ్యూమన్? నో. ట్రీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ హ్యూమన్. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఇట్? సో ట్రీ విల్ క్రై అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ డై. సో వాట్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ డూ? We should not cut the trees. We should not cut the trees. Okay, children? So, this is a small poem I had given just only for the oral practice. Okay, just you can do the practice. Enjoy the poem at home. Keep on saying this about the tree. Andaru nerchukondi poem daily. This week completely once I will show you this practice. For 3 days I will give the continuously practice. You keep on doing the practice, then we will go with the lesson explanation for tomorrow. Okay, children? Draw this tree picture and write the poem and learn the poem. Do the practice. Okay? So, I hope today this class is very clear for my children. So, what are the work I had given? Yesterday work, activity on what base? Salad. Vegetable salad and fruit salad. Coloring activity. If you done the homework, please draw this tree picture. Okay? You can draw a tree and then write this poem very neatly. Perfect handwriting. Okay, children? I hope this class is very clear to my first class children. So tomorrow we will go with the next exercise and we will start with the lesson number 3, new lesson. Okay? So please note down lesson number 3, our green friends. Our green friends. Okay, who are the green friends? Our plants are our green friends. Okay, so you write this poem by heart this and keep on doing the practice and be ready for tomorrow class. Okay children, thank you. Take care children. Bye bye.